Are you looking for a single-story home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage in Las Vegas under $350,000?
How about one that's only 10 minutes away from Craig Ranch Park? You're gonna fall in love with this home. Let's go check it out. Let's go for a tour.
All right, let's go.
I love that this home is sitting on a huge lot. There's plenty of space to put a pool back here.
Oh my gosh, it is amazing. For a private tour, contact us. All our information is in the description below. I'm Wendy Goss.
And I'm Selma Kasuda, and we're with eXp Realty, and we can't wait to meet you.